Welcome to my channel, Not Your Average Vegan. My name is Shan, and I'm a self-taught chef who's here to make your transition to adapting a plant-based diet a lot easier. Join me as I make easy and delicious meals. I'll show you some product reviews, what it's like to be a traveling vegan, and also how to use plant-based substitutes. Sometimes I will feature my 2-year-old daughter who also eats a plant-based diet. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and check out some of my great content. I hope you stay around, and I look forward to interacting with you. Don't forget, plants are fuel. Hey guys, so we're going to start this recipe by prepping our vegetables. Here I have cut up 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper, an orange bell pepper, and then a yellow bell pepper, and I also have minced some garlic. Next, we're going to grab us a pot and we're going to turn it on medium high, and we're going to go ahead and add some oil to that. I've chosen to use olive oil, and I'm just going to place my onions inside of there and cook them till they become translucent. And once my onions have cooked down and look something like this, I'm going to go ahead and start to add in my peppers. I'm going to go ahead and give this all a really good mix and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. And once that time is up, I'm going to go ahead and add in the garlic and cook that for about a minute or so. So after that time is up, your vegetables should look something like this. And I'm going to go ahead and add in some rinsed black beans, and I'm also going to add in some crushed tomatoes. I'm also going to go ahead and add in the can of corn. You can use frozen corn as well. And I'm just going to top that off with some water. This part is completely optional, as you can use a vegetable broth if you would like. I'm going to go ahead and add in my rinsed quinoa and give this a really good mix and let it cook for about 20 minutes. I added in one of these vegetable stock cubes only because I did use water, so if you do choose to use broth, you do not have to add this. After those 20 minutes are up, you should have something that looks similar to this. I'm going to go ahead and season it with some cumin, some paprika, and also salt and pepper to taste. After letting it cook for about another 10 minutes, you should have something that looks similar to this. And I'm just going to freshen the dish up by adding in some freshly chopped cilantro and also the juice of a full lime. And this is the final result. This dish is super tasty and full of flavor. Don't forget to check the description box for all the ingredients and the amounts I use down below. And I decided to serve this with some avocado, some vegan sour cream, and also some salsa. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video.